This is RWD C200FL Cell Counter, and this is 6-channel slide. We insert the slide in here. So you can see we have all kinds of applications. Each application means one kind of counting mode, and we've got total cell counter mode, tripping balloon mode, and fluorescence mode like AOPI, GFP, or IFP. And because the slide is for total cell count, so I will press total cell count here. You can see we have 6 channels to choose. You can choose whatever you want. For this case, I will choose channel 3. And you can see we have all kinds of cell types here, and we can choose the dilution here. So for this case, I will just press start here. For each channel, the machine will take 3 pictures. This is the first picture, and this is the result of first picture. And this is the second picture, and third picture. Okay. So you can see here is the overall result, and you can press here to check each picture's result. Press picture 2, and this is picture 2's result, and picture 3, and you can come back to overall pictures result here. And if you find here is the you can zoom out the picture to check if the machine is recognized the cell correctly. You can press here to check manually. Yeah, the yellow circle means the clustered cells. And you can press here to adjust the parameters. So if your cell is small, you can press here to adjust the minimum size and the maximum size here. And you can view different pictures to check if your parameter is correct. And after that, you can save the parameter as your own cell type. And if you want to double check the application mode, you can press here. So here is the application mode. So this is the counting type here. This is cell type, and this is the picture the machine will take here. And these parameters you can check on our user menu. And if you are doing the passaging experiment, you can press here to do the calculator thing for you. Yeah, and here you can see the diameter distribution. And if you are using the fluorescence mode, you can press here to check RFU information. And after you do the counting thing, you can press here to check the history. And if you press here to choose different counting mode, and choose one counting mode, and press here to choose one result you want to check, and press here. You can see the result here, and this is the AOPI mode. Yeah, this is the merge picture. You will merge the bright field, fluorescence field together. And here is for the setting. So you can adjust the counting type, cell type here, and the other information you can check on the user menu.